Hi guys, in today's vlog, I move into my dorm at Yale University. I take you from the time that I fly up to New Haven till the time that I am done moving in, and I hope you guys enjoy today's vlog. We landed. Why do I look like that? I'm getting this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Cactus pretty rare.
Yeah. We're shopping at Whole Foods.
How many decide between hibiscus citrus or cactus prickly pear?
Hey guys, right now my hair looks so bad, but we are shopping in Walmart. A huge cart because we're getting all of these dorm items. You guys know how to pop it?
Yeah, I know. It's an art.
That was really clean actually.
Yeah, it was.
So I just finished my meal at this bakery. I had an almond croissant, which you can't see anymore, and a bit of this fluffy bread, and then my lavender matcha. It was all really good, so I'll probably be coming back a lot through the semester. We're going to IKEA. And this mirror on this cart is so big, I literally can't see in front of the cart. We're in the Yale bookstore getting shirts. I should give a more descriptive haul of everything that we buy, I feel.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just acquired my packages from UPS. My 2 packages that I don't even remember what it is actually. I know it's 2 things I needed. I did buy that tissue box, but I don't think it would be bigger. Hey guys, good morning. I'm walking on the streets of New Haven alone because I'm gonna get a coffee and get some work done. I'm a little scared, but I do see some pedestrians in the distance, so if anything happens to me, they'll witness it. The cafe is inside here. Hopefully it's open because if not, I'm actually done. Guys, I'm gonna meet a friend now. Hi, so I'm here with Sophia and we're gonna try, oh, it's kind of warm actually.
Mine's
Cookie
cold.
30, oh, maybe that's the intention, I don't know.
I think this is the point.
Okay, we're gonna try cookie 39. I got a cookies and cream cookie. It's pretty good.
Yeah, solid 6.5, 7 out of 10.
Yeah. I like that it's much crispier than crumble. I mean,
Real.
can I try a bit of yours?
Oh yeah. Good luck.
Pretty good. We just finished eating at Vita Ziki Mediterranean place. It was pretty good. We didn't show the food unfortunately, but it's okay. But yeah, that's basically it. Hi guys, here with Ethan and Brennan.
Hi.
Oh,
Hello. Are we doing introductions?
if you want.
It sounded like you were gonna tell us to, and then you didn't.
No, you can talk. You can talk.
Well, I already did mine.
Well, it's me now. I'm Ethan, I guess.
And we're gonna get ice cream at.
Arethusa.
Girl, I cannot pronounce the name of this place. It was like Medusa or something.
Hi guys, this is the morning that I moved into my dorm. Let me give you a little fit check. So, for my top, I have this thrifted leather cardigan. It's from Wilson, and jacket, and this white Uniqlo shirt. For pants, I have the gray Uniqlo pants. And then I have my shoes. Oh, I actually didn't change these shoes. I'm gonna change them for a different pair when I get to the car. Right now, it's a little bit past 7 a.m. and my move-in is at 9, but we're gonna be there a little bit early. We're getting ready for move-in. We're gonna move in soon. But we're waiting for my dad, who is in the restroom. But yeah. Right now we're walking up to Phelps Gate, which is right next to my dorm, and there's a kind of large line of cars, so we're gonna try to get our key and stuff first before we actually unload. Oh, you're setting up at 10. I don't even know if they're ready.
It doesn't matter. But here, you get your keys and you go on.
I thought this is where they're gonna distribute the keys. So we just got my key, and now we're going to go to my room. We're in Lawrence Hall first year, which is the hall for Hairstyles College. Going into my doorway. Oh, the key isn't here. We're walking up the staircase. It's a little bit of a long, high walk. We're almost about to get here. Okay, so we're gonna open my Styles package that I haven't opened yet. Which apparently not every college got something like this, so I feel very special.
Yes.
You guys, did you get like a t-shirt though?
No. They were like,
Actually,
you have to buy it for like
That's
$30.
so ridiculous. There's a t-shirt in here. It's actually, I would never
Try
wear
it
this
on.
color. It looks so ugly on me, but it's okay. So it's a thought that counts. And then
Is
the
that like a
stickers.
bird? No, that's
I kind of like the stickers. Like it kind of efforts with. They gave us granola bars. Wait. Okay, wait. Oh, this is what I was. Yeah, my ID. Where is that? Oh, okay. I'll do that later. Okay, and then a lot of stickers. Like, I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna put them from. These. And then granola and like. And like emergency.
Vitamin C.
And then oh, $10 off at like the Styles store, and this random flyer. We're here to support at YALE Library. Yay! Oh, I should have gotten a hat. Wait. But no, I'll just like, my hair doesn't look great, but it's fine. Like, cause I feel like a hat can be worse. So like, for like today, I want like my people's first impression of you to be that I'm not like wearing a hat. It's such a weird thing to think about, but like, I'm thinking about it. Yeah. The one annoying thing about this is like the huge walk up. Cause like, I feel like each, oh, that's worse. Each flight of stairs is so long though. Like this is like not, I mean it means we have high ceilings, but this is like not a normal like ceiling height, I feel.
Perks of living in ridiculously cool.
Yes.
But the real moose is inside the dining room. A little less active.
This is for my vlog. Hi guys, we're at the Ezra Styles like What? I don't even know what this is. Like community meeting. It's actually it sucks.
Styles! What? Styles! What? Go fucking Moose! Styles! What? Styles! What? Go fucking Moose!
Hi guys, I'm the only person that bought anything I think. But I bought salt and vinegar chips and a Celsius.
My jeans and shoes are
It's raining so hard right now. And we're still walking back. But we're almost there. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me move into Yale. And I'm actually going to create another video that's a dorm tour. And it's kind of interesting because I actually switched from my double into a single. And you guys can ask me any questions you might have about that. But it's another reason why I want to give a tour of this new room that I'm in. And stay tuned for that. See you in the next one.